हेलो, मैं बिट्टू जायसवाल स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का आपके चैनल कैटलिस्ट एजुकेशनल कैंपस में। आज हम लोग देखेंगे क्लास 12th का एनसीईआरटी चैप्टर नंबर 13 जिसका नाम है ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड पॉपुलेशंस। इसका हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर को देखेंगे। ठीक है, तो इसको हम लोग इंग्लिश मीडियम में देखेंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि हाउ इज डाइपोज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम हाइबरनेशंस। तो इसका आंसर लिखिएगा कि सम स्पेसीज हैव डेवलप्ड एडेप्टेशन टू अवॉइड एडवर्स कंडीशन इन प्लेस और टाइम, दैट मीन्स हाइबरनेशन एंड डाइपोज। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, bear hibernate in winter and avoid migration at that time, and in adverse condition many species of zooplankton in lakes and ponds go into diapause, which is a state of suspended animation. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि इफ ए सी फिश इज kept in a fresh water aquarium, will it survive? Why and why not? तो इसका आंसर लिखिएगा नो, a sea fish cannot survive in a freshwater aquarium due to osmoregulation, because water quality, that means chemical composition, pH, is very important for aquatic animals. The salt concentration of seawater is much higher than that of the normal fresh water. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है कि डिफाइन फिनोटाइपिक एडेप्टेशन, गिव एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इट। तो इसका आंसर लिखिएगा सम ऑर्गेनिज्म हैव फिनोटाइपिक एडेप्टेशन दैट मेक देम रिस्पॉन्ड क्विकली टू स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन। इफ वी एवर गो टू द हाई एल्टीट्यूड more than 3500 meter Rohtang Pass near Manali Mansarovar in Tibet, we will experience altitude sickness. The symptoms of this illness are nausea, fatigue, and increased heart rate. This is because atmospheric pressure is low in high altitude, so the body does not get enough oxygen. After some time, we gradually acclimatize and do not suffer from altitude sickness. Our body solves this problem by compensating for the low oxygen availability by increasing the production of red blood cells, decreasing the binding capacity of hemoglobin, and increasing the respiratory rate. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि मोस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म कैन नॉट सर्वाइव एट टेम्परेचर अबव 45 डिग्री सेल्सियस। हाउ डू सम माइक्रोब सर्वाइव इन हैबिटेट वेयर द टेम्परेचर इज अबव 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस। तो इसका आंसर लिखिएगा some organism cannot tolerate and grow well in wide ranges of temperatures. These are called eurythermal. Such organism can live at temperature above 100 degrees Celsius. Temperatures affects the kinetics of the organism, enzyme, and its basal metabolism. Other phenotypes, functions, and activities of the organism. Next question है tell us those properties which are not present in individuals but are present in populations. तो इसका आंसर लिखिएगा population has some properties which are not present in individual organism. Individuals are born and die, but populations have birth rates and death rates. These rates in a population are called per capita birth rate and death rate respectively. Therefore, this rate is expressed as a change in a number, that means increase or decrease in relation to the member of the population. The second specific property of a population is sex ratio, that is ratio of male and female. Individuals are either male or female, but populations have sex ratio. For example, 60% of the population are female and 40% are male. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि इफ एन एक्सपोनेंशियली ग्रोइंग पॉपुलेशन डबल्स इन साइज इन 3 years, व्हाट इज द इंट्रिंसिक रेट ग्रोथ ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन। डेट मीन्स आर निकालना है आपको। तो इसका आंसर लिखिएगा व्हेन द populations grows exponentially or geometrically if in a population of size n, birth rates, that is not total number but birth per capita, are represented as b, and death rates, that means death per capita, are represented as d. Then the increase or decrease during unit time period, that means dn by dt will be as a follow: dn by dt is equal to b minus d into n. Let b minus d is equal to r, then dn by dt is equal to rn, where is r is called the intrinsic rate of the natural increase. If the population double in size in 3 years, the intrinsic rate of the growth of the population will be 3r. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डिस्क्राइब द इम्पोर्टेंट डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म इन प्लांट्स अगेंस्ट हर्बीवोरी. तो इसका आंसर लिखिएगा, प्लांट्स हैव इवॉल्व्ड a remarkable variety of morphological and chemical defense mechanism to avoid herbivores. The most common morphological means of defense are thorns, that means acacia, cactus. Many plants produce and store chemical which when eaten make herbivores sick, inhibit digestion, disrupt their reproduction or kill them. You must have seen the weed calotropis growing in abundant fields. These plants produces a highly toxic glycoside, and hence no animal or goat is seen grazing on it. A wide variety of chemicals that we extract from plants on a commercial scale, that is nicotine, caffeine, quinine, stressin, opium, etc., are produced by plant. In fact, these chemicals are defense mechanism against grazers. Next question है, an orchid plant is growing on the branch of a mango tree. How will you describe the interaction between the orchid and the mango tree? तो इसका आंसर लिखिएगा, it is a communalism. It is an interaction in which one species benefit and the other neither benefits nor is harmed. The orchid growing as epiphyte on the mango branch and the brancle that colonize the whale's back benefit, while mango tree and the whale do not benefit from them. Next question है, what is the ecological principle behind the method of biocontrol for the management of insect pest? तो इसका आंसर लिखिएगा, the principle behind the biocontrol method for the management of insect pest is based on the pre-regulating ability of the predator. Next question है, differentiate between the following. First is hibernation and estivation, and second is exothermic and endothermic. तो इसका आंसर लिखिएगा, डिफरेंस बिटवीन हाइबरनेशंस एंड एस्टिवेशन. इसका डिफरेंस लिखिएगा, सम ऑर्गेनिज्म माइग्रेट टू मोर फेवरेबल एरियाज फॉर सम टाइम टू अवॉइड द इल इफेक्ट ऑफ विंटर. दिस इज कॉल्ड हाइबरनेशन. सम ऑर्गेनिज्म माइग्रेट टू मोर फेवरेबल एरियाज इन समर टू अवॉइड द इफेक्ट ऑफ हीट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, a person migrate from Delhi to Shimla during summer. This is called summer estivation. And second difference is difference between exothermic and endothermic. तो इसका लिखिएगा, cold blooded organism have the ability to maintain their body temperature according to their environment. Many active ectothermic organisms like frogs, snake, etc. remain एक्टिव टू मेंटेन देयर बॉडी हीट. एंडोथर्मिक को कहने का मतलब वार्म ब्लडेड एनिमल्स लाइक बर्ड्स एंड ह्यूमंस मेंटेन ए सर्टेन टेम्परेचर थ्रू द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ देयर बॉडीज. एक्सटर्नल टेम्परेचर फंक्शंस हैव नो इफेक्ट ऑन देम. ठीक है, तो रहने देते हैं आज के लिए इतना ही. 10 क्वेश्चन हो गया, बाकी जितने भी 8 क्वेश्चन बचे हुए इसको जो है अगले क्लास में करवा दूंगा. तब तक बाय, टेक केयर, अच्छे से पढ़ाई कीजिए.